In this lesson, you will use a timer to enforce the 90-second time limit and bring your robot into compliance with the game rules. Begin by opening the remote control program that you've been working on. Before making any changes, save this program under a new name. Timed Minefield Retrieval. The current program allows you to control your robot using the remote control as long as the robot remains powered on. We want the robot to stop after 90 seconds. Remember, while loops repeat as long as their conditions remain true. To force the loop to repeat for a specific amount of time, we need to write a condition that is true while the elapsed time is less than the 90-second time limit. This while loop will continue looping while the time value in timer T1 remains less than 90,000 milliseconds, or 90 seconds. Let's start by implementing a short duration test program designed to disable remote control after 5 seconds. Once we have the program working with a 5-second cutoff, we'll increase the time to the tournament regulation 90 seconds. Always remember to reset your timers. Begin by adding a clear timer T1 command just before the robot enters the remote control while loop. Change the condition of the while loop to check the timer. Replace 1 = 1 with time1, T1, less than 5,000. This tells the robot that the while loop should run while the timer value is less than 5,000 milliseconds. The change we made converted the infinite loop to a loop that stops when the timer value reaches a specific time. Add motor commands to stop the robot after the loop ends. Now compile and download your program. Run the program and drive around using the remote control. Use a stopwatch to see how long you remain in control of the robot. Your robot remained responsive for exactly 5 seconds and then stopped. Exactly what we wanted, and exactly what the rules call for. Except it should be 90 seconds, not 5. Change the 5,000 millisecond cutoff to 90,000 milliseconds. Download, run, and test. The robot is now controllable for 90 seconds, starting at the beginning of the program. Your robot is now compliant with the challenge time limit rules. In this lesson, you learned how to use a timer to control the duration of a while loop. Continue on to learn how to use the buttons on your remote to control the arm and disarm the mines.